Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you will be fine. So class, today we will study about topic 14.5 of chapter number 14, which is ozone depletion and its effects. So ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen. Allotropic means physical form. Phys- Physical form of oxygen consisting of three oxygen atoms, just like here O3. It is formed in atmosphere by the association of an oxygen atom. This is oxygen atom O with an oxygen molecule which is O2 in the mid of stratosphere. Mid दरमियान में stratosphere के mid में. Ozone is present throughout the atmosphere, but its maximum concentration called ozone layer, which is lies in the stratosphere region about 25 to 30 kilometer away from the Earth's surface. Means when we will go from Earth's surface to 25 to 30 kilometer, ozone layer is found here. Use of ozone. This layer surrounds the globe, full earth को, and protects earth like a shield, just like here, shield from harmful ultraviolet radiations. These are ultraviolet radiations would cause skin cancer. These ultraviolet radiations are from sunlight as shown in this figure. Otherwise, ultraviolet radiations would cause skin cancer. Thus, ozone layer in stratosphere is beneficial for life on Earth. This is our Earth planet, and when we travel from Earth to 30 to 25 kilometer in stratosphere, here is ozone layer which shield and protects our atmosphere, and it protects us from these ultraviolet radiations which are falling from sun. Next, in second diagram, you can see if ozone layer will deplete or removed from our earth surface, surround the earth surface, depletion of ozone layer by chlorofluorocarbons. What is chlorofluorocarbon? On next page we will study about chlorofluorocarbon. By chlorofluorocarbon, ozone layer will deplete, and you can see these ultraviolet radiations are fall on our earth's surface. Where ozone layer is present, these ultraviolet radiations reflect back. So, so on this page, before chlorofluorocarbon, we will study about the normal concentration of ozone. Under normal conditions, ozone concentration in stratosphere remains nearly constant through a series of complex atmospheric reactions. Two reactions that maintain a balance in ozone concentration are as follows. O2, O2 oxygen molecules, when react with oxygen atom, it convert into ozone. This reaction is the formation of ozone. On the other reaction, the decomposition of ozone. In this, ozone react with oxygen atom and convert into O2. But this ozone layer is being depleted through various chemical reactions. Now, we will study about role of chlorofluorocarbons. However, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, used as refrigerator in air conditioners and refrigerators, are major cause of depletion on ozone layer. These compounds leak in one way or other, escape and diffuse to atmosphere. These gases and these molecules, these compounds are leaked in atmosphere and diffuse in stratosphere. So, ultraviolet radiations break the carbon and chlorine bond in CFCl3. Here you can see carbon and chlorine bond is present. These ultraviolet radiations break carbon and chlorine bond and generates chlorine free radical, just like here. So, let's start this reaction. This is chlorofluorocarbon. In the presence of ultraviolet radiations, it will deplete and generates this chlorine free radical, and Cl3 it convert into Cl2. These free radicals are very reactive. They react with ozone to form oxygen. Here you can see this is ozone, this is chlorine free radical, and it will react and convert into O2 and OCl. After that, this free radical OCl is converted into oxygen free radical and chlorine free radical. And after that, this oxygen free radical convert into O2. Two free radicals react with each other and make O2. Thus, a single chlorine free radical, I am talking about this chlorine and this chlorine, free radical released by decomposition of CFCs क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स की डिकम्पोजिशन की वजह से क्लोरीन फ्री रेडिकल रिलीज होगा, is capable of destroying up to many lakhs of ozone molecule. The region in which ozone layer depletes is called ozone hole. Means just like this is ozone layer, here ozone hole will create. Signs of ozone depletion were first noticed over Antarctica in 1980s. Since 1980s, depletion has also been recorded over the Arctic as well. In 1990s, these depletions also recorded in Arctic. Now we will study about the effects of ozone depletion. So, there are many effects of ozone depletion. Even minor problem of ozone depletion can have major effects. Depletion of ozone enables ultraviolet radiations of sun to reach to the earth that can cause skin cancer to human beings and other animals. Decreased ozone layer. If this ozone layer will increase infections disease like malaria. It can change the life cycle of plants, disrupting the food chain. Plant cycle means photosynthesis, disrupting the, and when the life cycle of plants disturbed or changed, this will also disturb the food chain of plants and us. It can change the wind pattern, resulting the climate change all over the world. When wind pattern changes, it will create climate change. Especially Asia and Pacific will be the most affected regions facing climate induced migration of people crisis. एशिया एंड पैसिफिक के जो लोग हैं उनको डे बाय डे क्लाइमेट चेंजेस की वजह से माइग्रेट करना पड़ा है, एंड ड्यू टू द माइग्रेशन we can understand due to the migration people fall into the in crisis. So class, if you have any question about this you can ask.